Looking for the bathroom? It's right here, right by the living, yeah. Welcome, happy campers. It's me, Amanda, here with Cookeville RV and Marine on this beautiful sunny day in Tennessee to talk about a new floor plan on the Reflection travel trailer line. This is a 2023 Grand Design Reflection 296 RDTS. Before we get started, again, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see more content just like this. Leave us a comment below. We try to be as responsive as possible. But if you have any questions or comments that you would like to talk to a salesperson about, go ahead and give a call or text to our store number. But let's start on the outside. The outside entertainment space of this RDTS is perfect for the family because you have all of this space. Your entryway is at the rear of the camper, but even with that unhinged and open, you have all of this awesome space underneath this awning to relax and hang out with your family and friends and pets. And you definitely do get the added benefits of the Reflection LED light strip underneath. I love that that pops at night, and there's even some storage close by. The pass-through storage located near the front cap is the perfect place to store some of those extra chairs and outdoor accessories that you bring along on your trips. It has great places for hoses to be stored that you can even clean out so your hoses don't get everything muddy, as well as extra lights. You've got LED lights in here so you can see it any time of the day, no matter when you get to the campground. The convenience bay over there, again, is so easily labeled, and the winterizing process is pretty simple if you check out any of the Grand Design videos. But another thing I wanted to talk about was that side reflection, or it's called a Furrion bracket. So this camper is pre-wired for those side camera mirrors. So if you put your blinker on and it's attached to the infotainment center or even a screen inside of your truck, you can see a visual representation of what the side of your camper looks like even when you're traveling down the road. So that's just an extra safety feature that I love. But it's time to step inside this camper. At the back of this new floor plan, we have a dinette that transforms into a large sleeping space or lounging space, as I'm using it for, but the table is just as impressive. The perks of having a rear dinette floor plan is you have all of this space to hang out with your family and have that nice meal, as well as the extra sleeping space, and you've got amazing views. Wherever you're backed up to, whatever your view is out this window, you can open it up, feel the breeze while you're eating or even talking with people that are hanging out with you in your camper. But let's talk about our controls. Our control panel is located right inside of our entryway, as you can see on my right. It is pretty standard, it has everything easily labeled, including lights and slides and tanks, and we even have our indoor-outdoor speaker system not far away. One thing that I do appreciate they made a change to, in this floor plan at least, is that solar gauge. They opted to put it across the room next to your temperature gauges and even your fan controls for the vent fan of this area. I like it though, because if I'm sitting on the couch and I've got the lights on, it may be a little bit of a sunny day, but I wanted to use some extra solar power, you can keep an eye on it while you're sitting on your couch and opt to turn the lights off whenever you need a recharge. But let's talk about the other places your guests can sit. Now, I said your guests can sit here, but I think that I would take this spot for myself if I was watching a movie or hanging out. They all recline, even the middle one, I believe, but I do appreciate this cup holder armrest action, but you can put it back up to have extra seating, or if you want to let all of these chairs up, you can. And don't forget, they go back into napping mode without hitting the back of the slide or even the window treatments. Super convenient. We also have our light switch not far away if it's movie time, and our refrigerator actually shares some space inside of this slide, and it's not far away if you wanted to get to your snacks. Starting off to my right here, we have our countertop extension. I like that they kept this idea, but don't forget to put it back down and before you put that slide in. It is a little bit larger than years past, so they're really making up the space. We also have our sink right next to that has our tile covers, but you can always take them off when you're using your kitchen sink. No splits here, very deep, and I love how large the faucet is. You can really get those bigger pots and pans clean in there. And down below, we have a little bit of extra storage for some cleaning supplies. I would get super creative with my organization, but plenty of room down there. Up top, we have really nice looking cabinets that are glass front with a little bit of a tint on it, And it goes all the way to the corner back there so we can carry larger serving trays or even griddles or extra electronics that you want to bring on your trip. 3 burner top Furrion stove per usual with that splash guard already added on, and a Furrion microwave just like the one at home, and extra storage up top that you can actually get to those microwave plug-ins and even plug extra things up there. I really appreciate that they give you this extra countertop space here if you're wanting to serve your food or have appetizers out for your friends and family. And we have plenty of drawers for games, board games, or if you have a guest that happens to be using this space, they can opt for these drawers, or even the cabinets that are above that dinette are plenty big for your guest, or extra sheets or whatever you need to bring. But let's step down the hall. Are you looking for the bathroom? It's right here, not far from the living space, and it is mighty. Check this out. We've got a good amount of space here. It definitely beats that campground bathroom. We've got foot flush toilet. We have an extra vent fan so it doesn't get too steamy in here. And check out all of this headspace. Again, I'm a pretty tall person. I'm about 5'11", so this is great for tall people. It's tall people friendly. As well as all of these mirrors. I've got a mirrored front medicine cabinet on this side, and a mirrored front cabinet for towels and such on this side, so lots and lots of storage, as well as look how deep the sink is. We match our faucets to the one in the kitchen, and there's plenty of countertop space to have tools and any other products you may be using on your skincare. But the shower is the place to be. Check this out, frosted glass doors. I love the black trim they used, and they kept the same sort of faucet style for your shower head. They gave you the mesh rack for extra shampoo and stuff that won't fall when you're going down the road, and a clothesline for any wet bathing suits, or maybe you get in a giant mud fight. Well, we're gonna just keep going to the bedroom. When walking towards the bedroom, you notice that the closet sort of goes into the hallway a little bit, but that gives you a great opportunity to use it as some hallway storage. Let's look inside. We have 2 separate closet spaces here with a mirror on the outside of both. And you even have those hanging rods that are for travel so that your hangers don't go sliding left and right and left and right. So that's really awesome that they put those in there. We also have 3 drawers underneath each wardrobe, so his and hers. And we have a small vanity area just to the right for extra electronics or even a vanity of sorts. And it comes with a little window. But the bed is definitely grand. I love the modern look of this bedroom setup. You've got a queen size bed with storage underneath, as well as 2 side tables with outlets in them in case you need that. And there's a little bit of carpet section, so if you need to sit down, put your shoes on, you can definitely do that and not have to sit on your bed. We also have a small ledge here with a USB charging port straight above that for any phones or glasses of water. And you have 2 lights with switch controls right on them, so each person can control their own night light. But that is not all in this bedroom. There's something else on the side of the room that the door is on. Another closet, or this is the place that you will put your washer and dryer combo. We do have hookups over here, but check this out. You've got so much storage in this reflection, and I believe that they even made this bigger. But what do you think of this new floor plan? Leave us a comment below. And if you have any questions about this or any other floor plan that may be new for 2023, leave us a comment below again, or give us a call or text our store number. And always visit us online at cookvillerv.com because your adventure awaits.